for Chase. Let's warm it up for you, Chase. Oh my goodness! Hi, Paw Patrol. What are you doing today? We're hungry. We want to make some food in the microwave. Oh, really? Well, I think I have the perfect thing for you. Ooh, cupcakes! That's right. I got some yummy cupcakes right here. So you want to put them in the, you want to cook them in the microwave? Yeah, we need them nice and toasty. All right, we can do that. Just make some room. Let's start with blue for Chase. Let's warm it up for you, Chase. Oh my goodness! I thought we were just warming up a cupcake, but it turned into it's a Chase wobble. What? Look, watch. Can't knock him down. Oh, Chase, how did that turn into a wobble and not your warm cupcake? I don't know, but I like it a lot. Oh, I bet you like it. I'm happy. Well, here's your little wobble back there. All right. Well, let's do Marshall next. Marshall's cupcake is red. It looks pretty yummy too. Let's warm it up. I wonder if it'll turn into another wobble. Oh, Marshall, look, it turned into Marshall Rubble. What? Marshall Wobble. Woo! Can you play with it? Yeah. You can't knock it down, it just wobbles around. I love it. I like it more than the cupcake. I like it way more than the cupcake. Awesome, Marshall. Here's your wobble. All right, next up, Rubble. Rubble sounds like wobble. Rubble, wobble. This is yellow. Yellow for Rubble. Rubble! Who knew this was gonna happen? Boop! We got a Rubble Wobble! Whoop. Rubble Wobble! Oh, whoa, whoa! Don't go that crazy, Rubble. Here, sit back here by your Rubble. All right, next up, Skye. We have pink for Skye. Oh my goodness, we just keep getting wobbles. Skye, look. Look how cute you guys look together. Wobble. Ah. You're not a wobble, Skye. This is the wobble. Look at all the wobbles we have. Those are really fun. All right, next up is Zuma, and his color is orange. Oh my goodness. We got our Wobble Zuma. Wobble Zuma. I like all these wobbles. They're fun. Oh my goodness. All right. Rocky, you're the last one. And for Rocky, we have green. Of course, we got a Rocky Wubble. Look at all you guys with your wubbles. Come out, come out. Oh my goodness, look at all these. Wubble around town. Look at all of them. These are fun wubbles. Can we fit them all in the microwave? I don't know if we can. We're so close. Oh my goodness. We got all of them in the microwave. So what's gonna happen if we turn on the microwave with all the wubbles in there? Let's go ahead and find out. What? What is Chickaletta doing here? Well, there she went, Pawpatrol. What are we supposed to do now? You didn't get any cupcakes and the wubbles are gone. What was that? Let's put all of us in the microwave and see what we get. Okay. Everyone want to do that? Yeah. Alright, it's easy to fit all you guys in the microwave. You aren't as big as wubbles. Alright, let's go. What in the world? Poppy, what are you doing here? I'm not sure. I was eating some gumballs and then poof, I showed up in this weird contraption. Anyways, I'm gonna go find my gumballs. Bye, everyone. All right, bye.
Bye-bye.